In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a non-profit site on Squarespace. Whether you're starting a new initiative or simply want to enhance your organization's online presence, building a website dedicated to your cause can connect you with a wider audience and elevate your impact. Let's begin by opening Squarespace. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. From here, the next step is to head over to the templates section, which is where the creative process truly kicks off. Templates are your foundation, offering a preset design that you can customize to suit your nonprofit's unique needs and vision. In the templates section, browse the available categories until you find one titled Community and Nonprofits. This category is specifically curated for organizations like yours and will present you with an array of options designed with a focus on your specific goals, such as connecting with volunteers, attracting donors, or promoting events. Once you've reviewed your options, select a template that resonates with your mission and aesthetic preferences. Take your time to envision how your nonprofit might come to life within these designs. Then, confidently click Start with this design. Now that you've chosen a structure for your site, it's time for customization, which is where you truly make this space your own. Click Edit to start personalizing your website. Here, you'll have the chance to adjust the layout, style, and content to reflect your nonprofit's identity. One effective way to invite engagement is by adding blocks to your site. These blocks are the building elements of your pages. To do this, click Add Block. A great place to start is with an image and text block. Imagery brings your story to life, and text communicates important messages to your supporters. This is also the perfect opportunity to add a donation button, helping you to foster support for your cause directly through your website. After you've laid the groundwork with images, text, and donation capabilities, you might consider further engagement tools, such as a newsletter. To add this, simply click Add Block again and select Newsletter. This feature helps you stay connected to your visitors, keeping them informed and engaged through email campaigns. It's a powerful tool for ensuring your audience remains updated on your latest endeavors and achievements. Moreover, adding a form block can serve as a direct line for your audience to reach out and request additional information about your organization. This ensures potential volunteers, donors, or partners have the opportunity to engage with you meaningfully. As you weave these elements together, remember that every block and choice you make should serve the purpose of clearly communicating your nonprofit's mission and engaging your audience in meaningful ways.